Top of the morning, everybody. Today is June 13th, Saturday. The market's not actually open, but I thought I'd do a quick update on the pharma portfolio. I happened to look at it. I haven't been looking at it close enough. Got a couple positions we need to swap out or get rid of. But before we get into that, a quick disclaimer. Remind everybody this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And with that, let's take a look at the pharma portfolio. All right, pharma portfolio update. Captain Ron, Financial JQP. The pharma portfolio, it is up a little bit since we started a couple months ago, and that's one we'll be looking at, and then we'll be swapping some positions out of that. Okay, so here's what it looks like right now. Before, just for clarification, I'm going to add this 30% drop. I should have put this in at the beginning. This was sort of inferred, but these two, Black Diamond and CompuGen, are way down, not doing well. Let's get rid of those guys. I'm going to sell those two on Monday, and that's going to free up some cash. I'll do a quick analysis here. We'll find some place to put the cash, and then when we do that, I'll run into the efficient frontier and we'll update these numbers based upon having some 20% of the cash pulled out. Figure out where to put the cash. What we want is some stocks that move opposite of pharma. I opened up ChatGPT to figure out what moves opposite of pharma. I asked GPT what moves opposite of pharma. It pointed out these small cap techs, industrial turnarounds, commodities. Commodities are easy. So let's go look at the commodities. So I asked ChatGPT what is the top commodity ETFs with a 6-year history. I want some history. Turns out there's a bunch of these with no history. It came up with these three, and then what I want to do is run that opposite of pharma. So to do that, I'm just going to grab the big pharma names that have some history. I know we've got little pharma, but it should move along with big pharma. They're in sync. Again, I asked ChatGPT, and then I used the legacy portfolio visualizer, the efficient frontier tool. Then when I look at the bottom of the curve, and URA pops out. So URA, Global Uranium ETF, is our winner. This is the equity that moves most opposite of pharma in our little list. We're going to go ahead and put the cash into this one. Let me go look at the adjusted results. When we do that, there's the Millennial Falcon again. Let's just use the efficient frontier portfolio. Oh, we do have the pharma in here. So here is the existing pharma portfolio, and we're getting rid of these guys. And in their place, we're putting in URA 20. That'll be 0. And we go hit view. And what we're looking for is our provided portfolio, expected return, standard deviation. So yeah, the standard deviation has come down a little bit, which makes sense. 2 sigma will be closer to minus 30. Very good. All right, so we'll get those numbers updated on Monday in here, and the next time we take a look at the pharma portfolio, these two will be gone. The new uranium ETF will be in here for the cash, and we will take it from there. All right, top of the morning on this June 13th. Bye. I'm going to retire this fine black and gold tie. This is a nice one. Pronto Umo.